Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where we help you speak English more clearly, confidently, and naturally through real-life conversations that you can use in your daily life.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy that you are here with us today, and we are excited to guide you step by step as you improve your English in a calm, simple, and supportive way.
Today's topic is very important because we are going to talk about visiting a doctor in English, which is something you may need when you are traveling, working, or living in another country.
Yes, and in this lesson, we will use longer sentences with full meaning so that you can understand how real English sounds in natural conversations at a clinic or hospital.
We will help you learn how to describe your symptoms, ask questions, understand the doctor, and talk about your health clearly.
Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support our channel and continue learning with us.
All right, let's start learning. When you arrive at a clinic or hospital, you usually speak to the receptionist first, and you may need to explain why you are there in a clear and polite way.
For example, you can say, "Hello, I would like to see a doctor because I am not feeling well," which is a simple and polite sentence that clearly explains your situation.
You can also say, "I have an appointment at 10 a.m., and I am here to check in," if you already booked a visit.
Let's practice a full conversation. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to see a doctor because I have been feeling sick since yesterday and I am not getting better.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I do not have an appointment, but I would like to see a doctor as soon as possible. Key phrases. I would like to see a doctor. I am not feeling well. I have an appointment. When you speak to the doctor, it is very important to describe your symptoms clearly so that the doctor can understand your problem and help you.
You can say, "I have a headache and a sore throat, and I feel very tired," which gives more information about your condition.
You can also say, I have had a fever for 2 days and I feel weak and dizzy, to explain how long you have been sick.
Let's try a natural conversation. Hello, what seems to be the problem today?
Hello, doctor. I have been feeling very tired for the past 2 days, and I also have a headache, a sore throat, and a slight fever.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, sometimes I feel a little dizzy, especially when I stand up quickly. Key phrases. I have been feeling. I have a headache, fever, cough. For 2 days. The doctor will ask you questions to understand your condition better, and it is important to answer clearly and honestly.
For example, the doctor may ask, "How long have you had these symptoms?" Or, "Have you taken any medicine?"
You can answer, I have had these symptoms for 2 days, and I took some medicine, but it did not help much.
Example. Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, I took some pain medicine yesterday, but I still feel sick today. After listening to you, the doctor will explain what might be wrong and give you advice.
The doctor may say, I think you have a common cold, and you need to rest and drink a lot of water.
Or the doctor might say, you should take this medicine twice a day after meals.
Example. I think you have a mild infection, so I will give you some medicine and you should rest for a few days.
Thank you, doctor. I will follow your advice. Key phrases. You should rest. Take this medicine. Drink more water. You can also ask the doctor questions if you do not understand something or if you need more information.
For example, you can say, "How often should I take this medicine?" Or, "Is this condition serious?"
Example. How often should I take this medicine?
You should take it twice a day
in the morning, and in the evening. Hello. What seems to be the problem?
Hello, doctor. I have been feeling sick for 2 days, and I have a headache, a fever, and a sore throat.
Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, I took some medicine yesterday, but I still feel sick today.
I see. I think you have a cold. You should rest, drink more water, and take this medicine.
Thank you, doctor. How often should I take it?
Twice a day after meals.
Thank you very much. Now it's your turn. How do you say, you are sick? What symptoms do you have? How long have you been sick? What questions can you ask the doctor? Speak slowly and clearly. Great job. Repeat. I am not feeling well. I have been feeling sick. I have a headache or fever. How often should I take this medicine? You should rest and drink water. Talking about your health in English is very important, especially when you need help from a doctor.
Even if your English is not perfect, you can still communicate clearly with simple and complete sentences.
Remember, practice speaking every day, and do not be afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes help you learn.
You are improving step by step, and we are very proud of you.
Thank you for learning with us today. Goodbye, everyone. Take care and keep practicing English.